I just want to again thank everybody for joining us for our first great day of SmartCon. I know it was a long one, but the reason that it needed to be was because there's just so much interest from the various teams working inside the Chainlink ecosystem to be part of this. Again, you heard from some of the top people in DeFi. You heard from some of the top people in enterprise. You heard about blockchain gaming. You heard about random number generation. You heard about VRF. And the coolest thing is that's just day one. So tomorrow we're going to do this whole thing again. It's basically same time, kind of starting at 8:10 a.m. Eastern. Why did we do it on Saturday? Because we want everybody to be able to watch this one, to see all the great things that are happening again inside the Chainlink ecosystem. So Sergey is going to be speaking. Ari Jules is going to be speaking. Check the schedule out. There's a ton more other people as we basically have 10 hours straight of putting together again one of the largest, if not the largest, DeFi conference that has basically ever existed. So thank you for being part of it. Again, I hope you have a great night and look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning. Thank you.